So do you also want to convert your Justdial leads into your customer? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to auto send bulk offers to Justdial leads. And yes, we're going to do this automatically without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. Whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Justdial, an automated email will be sent towards that lead, which is going to give them a special discount. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then watch this tutorial till the end and follow me through the screen. So come now, let's see how we're going to create the connection between Justdial and Gmail in such a way that we are going to send bulk emails to all our Justdial leads. Yes, to do this, I've opened the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL, and in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Justdial and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, copy the webhook URL and configure it in your Justdial account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from Justdial. Because Justdial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface, so you have to reach out someone from the backend team or your point of contact of Justdial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically the lead details will be started capturing over here as webhook response, and your Justdial account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Then further, whenever you're going to receive a new lead, this workflow is going to get triggered. I have already added this webhook URL in my Justdial account, so let's capture this webhook response, which is the details of my leads. And now you can see that we have successfully captured the details of our lead. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, email, company name and the area. Now we're going to send them offers. Alright, so let's close this and we're going to send them offers on Gmail. So let's click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Gmail and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as send email and click on this connect. Now if you have already created your connection between Gmail and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once you click on this sign in with Google, you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection. So I'm going to select the Gmail account with the help of which I want to create this connection. After selecting the Gmail account, Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly, no need to worry. Now our Gmail account is connected with Pabbly Connect. It is asking me for the sender's name. So over here, I'm going to enter the name of my company, which is Digital Dynamics. And as you can see that this is the name of my company, so I have entered it. Now for the sender's email address, I'm going to select the email address with the help of which I want to send the emails. But for the receiver's email address, I'm going to enter the email address of my lead to whom I want to send this email. Alright, so to enter the email address of our lead, we are not going to type it manually like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that we have successfully mapped this recipient email address. Now it is asking me for CC, BCC and reply to. So all of these three are not required. If you wish, you can definitely fill it out. Now for the email subject, we have to enter the subject which we're going to send towards towards our lead, and then is this email content. Alright, so first I'm going to enter the email subject over here. Special offer just for you name. Don't miss it out. Over here in this of name, I'm going to simply map the name of my lead. Now I'm going to enter the email content. So I have used a HTML email content over here because I want to send advanced emails. If you want to keep emails plain, you can keep the email content as plain too. But if you also want to generate this HTML content, you can use any AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and you can generate this HTML content. I have also used ChatGPT to generate this. Now in this HTML content also, I'm going to map the name of my lead so that we can send personalized emails to all our leads. One by one, I'm going to map the name and the another details which are required and which I've kept dynamic in this mail. So as you can see that now we have successfully mapped all the details. Now after mapping this, we have to select the content type as HTML because my email is HTML content. If it is plain for you, you can select plain too. Now it is asking me for the label, so I'm going to keep it as inbox. If you wish, you can select something else too. Now if you want to send files with this email, you can enter the file name and the attachment URL right over here. Like if you want to send some brochures or something like that, you can do it right over here. And same goes for the signature. If you wish to add the signature, you can add it over here. Now after doing all of this, we have to click on this save and send test request, and once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this mail. Alright, so let's open our Gmail and you're going to see that we have received this mail. So let's open it and you're going to see that over here is the subject and the mail, and this mail is a personalized mail for demo lead. Not only for demo lead, now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Justdial, automatically a mail will be sent towards my lead. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too and send bulk offers mail to all your Justdial leads even without wasting a single second. So yes, now go try this amazing automation because right now we are also offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, I'm going to attach the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow. If you wish, you can copy my email content and all too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.